And marching in now, ladies and gentlemen, our medieval knights in battle. And we're just glad it's slightly cooler this year for all of these re-enactors in their fantastic armour and their costumes. Ladies and gentlemen, even more of our re-enactors passing by. You must admit, this is a sight for sore eyes here in Peterborough Cathedral. Good morning, gentlemen. And it's all so beautifully polite and lovely. Oh my goodness, real royalty. Ladies and gentlemen, it's only Catherine of Aragon who's joined us this morning. How amazing. And of course, Old Scarlet, the gravedigger, almost 100 years before he passed away, Old Scarlet, he buried in our cathedral two queens. Catherine of Aragon, of course, Henry VIII's very first wife. And people to this day bring pomegranates and flowers to her tomb. In Peterborough Cathedral, Old Scarlet also buried in the cathedral, Mary Queen of Scots, but she was later moved to Westminster Abbey. So ladies and gentlemen, the drums are ready. Here they come. It's only the Pickering Regiment of the Field Knot recreating the English Civil War. Let's hear it, ladies and gentlemen! We now move to the Napoleonic era, and we welcome the 9th Norfolk Regiment. Gentlemen, march on!
Order your muskets. Order your prizes.
We're doing a drill display for us later here at the festival. Look at that for some smart marching. Ladies and gentlemen, a warm welcome. This is the 9th Norfolk Regiment recreating the Napoleonic era for us. And we now have the familiar sight as we look back to World War I, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, it's the centenary of the final year of World War I. And gentlemen with us today, marching into Cathedral Square. Please give them a warm welcome to Peterborough. We're delighted they're here with us. World War II as well, we remember, here in Cathedral Square. And they're all lining up. And it just gets even more exciting. Are the children ready? Are they ready to scream and shout? Are you ready? Can you shout two words for me? Fiery Jack. Fiery Jack. Can we hear it? Fiery Jack. Fiery Jack. Fiery Jack. Fiery Jack. Fiery Jack. Here he comes, ladies and gentlemen. It's Fiery Jack. And also we've got our amazing still walkers, and here's Dragonface as well. And Fiery Jack and his friends will be with us the whole weekend. You can meet them in the cathedral precincts. And if that weren't enough, can you stand any more excitement this morning? Can you possibly stand more excitement? Because, ladies and gentlemen, it's only some Morris men for you. Here they come.